Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam informed us that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala likes it when we sneeze. Perhaps this is due to the health benefits of preventing harm. Therefore, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam placed special sunnahs for us to pay attention to both for the one who sneezes and the one who hears the sneeze. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Verily Allah likes sneezing and dislikes yawning. When one of you sneezes and praises Allah, that is, says Alhamdulillah, it is the duty of every Muslim who heard him to say, May Allah have mercy on you, Yarhakumullah. As for yawning, it is from shaitan. When one of you yawns, let him hold it back as much as he can. And if he says, shaitan laughs at him."